Just one more.
Shots, can you work on Judgment Bird?
Yes, I will. Okay, for
Get
everyone
it down to
else,
the
do
count.
not work on anything else, please. We need
Copy
to
that.
minimize the amount of.
I'll
Okay.
work with Okay, hold on. There you go. Pissing up.
I would prefer it if we minimize our counter.
Actually, I should just do the actually. Hold on, I'm just going to kill some people real quick.
So I'm waiting at the top floor to see whatever spawns here.
Here, I'm guessing it can only spawn on like the first floor of center, right? If it were to spawn here, or can it spawn on any of the 3 floors within center?
What are you on about?
You know how
Like,
you
or
like the 3 different halls? Does it always spawn in the same spot in center?
I don't know.
So far,
Who
it's,
knows?
whenever I go to the disciplinary, it's always spawning in the exact same place.
Okay.
Every time I find the egg, I find one egg always at the control room at the top.
It
You want me to
probably
be in
spawns
control?
in the same spot the obelisk spawns in.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So
Also,
we're
is
about
it
to cause a
me?
meltdown. So
Also, is it me or like is Big Ben not exploding yet?
Well, we have a meltdown, so we have to deal with
Under
that.
control.
none of the A lefts are escaping. So
Oh,
Why
it's
is
just the
Big
bunny.
Ben not breaking out? I've killed like several like clerks.
It's chilling.
Or whatever. Oh, whatever.
Snow Queen can't break out.
Why are people working?
I don't fucking know.
Dino don't.
Uh,
And Gamer don't. Oh wait, no, they're trying to calm them down before they escape. To be fair. You want my your level 4, bro?
Shots. What is the level of judgment on this counter?
1.
One? Okay. I think if I
Let's
do
have
this
one
one more.
counter.
There we go.
Push it.
Start
Okay.
up. Start up. Start up. Start up. I'll go and piss off the bird as well. If I can find him.
You don't have
There it
to.
is.
Oh, shots is pissing off Judgment Bird.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, there's Punching Bird.
That's weird. He didn't actually get out.
Try again?
You repressed it?
Yeah,
Wait,
but-
no, you did Insight.
Might not be guaranteed.
Wait, we're not supposed to send him back, man. This is a cute little bird.
Come on, bird. Break the fuck out. Come on.
Does doing repression work on Judgment Bird just insta-kill you? Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Big bird's out.
Alright.
The
yeah.
entrance is in the top floor.
The top? Like, control
right,
room?
Right at the top.
Alright. Steel, meet me down at info right now.
Where should I go?
moving.
Should I be with you guys or should I stick down here
Just
and
get up to info. Get up
No,
to
no.
info. We can just spread
Yeah.
out.
Okay.
Moving towards security if no one's there.
Bottom floor of info right now. We're heading up.
I'm on info right now?
Head up to info. We can then spread out afterwards. Alright, depending on the damage of,
Wait, this is training.
depending on the egg, if it's a small beak,
Security Overwatch on.
Over here.
alright, I'm gonna be frank with you. If it's small beak, do not hit it with red damage.
Okay. I don't think anyone here
which
does
one's
red
small
damage
beast?
anymore.
Training. I'm
Except
in
for Dino.
training. Oops.
Also, do be careful. I did have to use magic bullet, so I can take friendly fire.
Which ones am I looking for white damage and black damage?
White and black. White is big eyes. Long arms doesn't give a shit to any. Doesn't care what damage you do to other than pale. Pale will make it heal. Otherwise, all the other damage is the same.
Can we make it heal?
Yep. But that's why we got magic bullet and the other shit. But our main target is going to be big eyes. As soon as we get big eyes done, basically 90% of the problem is solved.
Right.
It
so
also turns
if
back on
anyone
the
sees
lights.
Big Eye, shout.
Hey, what's up, big guys? What's up, my
We
man?
need
How
to
you
take
doing?
out
Bro's chill like
Give him a
that.
minute.
yeah, he's a bit slow.
It's gonna take a while because it's at the right top.
Yep. You think about it, it's just like a. You think about it, it's like a giant bowling ball walking up. Anyway, I'm gonna be honest. If you don't have a specific weapon, just do white damage to it. Also, for big guys, you do not want to use black damage on it.
Big guys, you don't want to use black damage on it.
I
Okay.
only have pale and white damage.
I only
Yeah,
got
pale
black
and
and
white damage.
red. Fudge.
Unironically, white damage just works on everything.
That's good to know. Because we almost all have harmonies, don't we?
Yep. Or just anything else that doesn't, like, the only one who gives a fuck about red damage is Small Beak. Oh, sub judgment, but how's your night?
Bro's a little late.
Well, he's kind of like an old man in a sense.
So I'm looking over training. I said security, but it's actually training. Everyone else?
Sitting in info room. Once it breaks,
Yeah.
once we see what it is, once we find a certain egg, example, big eyes, we all rush to it and break its egg ASAP. However, if it's big eyes, please do not use black damage.
There's some sort of ability it has.
It heals.
Oh god.
Yeah, that's why I'm being
They
very
like healing
suspicious.
these lot, don't they?
But we can use red damage on big guys, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, okay. For general knowledge, just use white damage if you don't know what the fuck it is. If it's small beaks, don't use red damage. If it's big eyes, just don't do black damage to it. That's how it works.
Damn, these things take a while.
I mean, they're
They
fucking
do.
slow as shit.
Honestly, I know it's supposed to be a good thing that they take this long though, but man.
There we go.
Alright, here we go.
It's go time. It's go time.
Get ready.
Monster!
Alright, let's see what this motherfucker does.
Small league training, moving elsewhere.
Alright, heading down to center. Well, this is not the way to center, is it?
Hit.
Shit! Come on, over here. Whoa! Down here. Mail, where are you?
Must be
Over here.
central. Must be central.
Oh, I'm being controlled.
Shit.
That's three. I'm going to try
Oh.
and secure
Where
it.
am I receiving damage from? Whoa, Jesus! Jesus, where? Mail, where are you? Oh, I lost her.
Mayo's dead. Hey, I see an egg. See an egg.
She got insta-killed? Oh, it's over. I found the egg. Its long arms is at center.
I got three.
Help me! Help me!
Dear God, bullet almost shot me to death.
Don't worry, man. We're just
What
gonna
is
check
long
if
arms
it's
secured?
effective or not.
Oh, I used long
being
arms
mind
for-
controlled.
I don't know what killed you either. Oh, Mayo, if you went
It's
up,
probably-
then you probably went right to it.
Ah, I'm dead. Bloody bullet.
I went down with you all? I don't know then.
She
There's
probably
nothing that
died
should have
from
been able
kill
to see.
damage.
Pale damage? Okay.
Because the bird has an AoE skill. That's why.
We got meltdowns. Steel's dead too. Ah. Damn it. Jesus, I'm being
That bullet
hypnotized.
just killed me because I was trying to deal with.
No,
three.
no, 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 no! Please don't eat me!
You can dash away from the hypnosis after
Okay.
you reach the point.
Okay.
It's actually
It's up apocalypse, man.
No. How do you dash again? I forgot. It's in my panic.
Q.
Please!
It changed.
Q,
You guys
Q.
is at top side.
Q!
Alright.
Dreamer? What are you doing here? Ah,
Oh, Apocalypse Bird is in Central.
Get out of the hole.
Big Eyes top side.
Securing Big Eye.
Mel, I found that a good rule of thumb, and this applies to you as well, Steel, and anyone else who's dead, randomly block every now and then if you're about to attack. It actually does a little bit of good for me. Oh, God.
Why stand out?
Stands out because there's a lot of things melting down right now.
Big Eyes is
Big Eyes was top.
Jesus!
Damn it.
Hypnotized again.
Oh. Oh, please keep making
I
me walk
literally
into the wall.
cannot see half the time. It's wonderful.
I'm just finally starting to memorize the
Yo.
dark.
I've got an idea where I'm going.
God. Oh, God. Oh, we have some really bad meltdowns. No!
Run!
It's actually gonna eat me!
You're alive.
It ate me.
Oh, stop.
Damn, I couldn't dash away that time. Oh, that thing's horrifying.
I've got a question for you, Spada.
Yeah?
Why'd you run from Big Eyes?
One from Big... I was hypnotized.
Yeah, but you could have gone back to it and then beat it up.
No, he like died because he couldn't move because he
Not
couldn't
before
dash
that.
out.
Before he died.
If you're talking about when I was hypnotized and I ran past it while I was hypnotized, then, yeah, I guess I could have gone back. But by then I was all the way down in information, so I went back to where Long Arms was.
Isn't Big Eyes supposed to be the priority target?
It is.
Well, you know, Steel, I wish you had reminded me instead of me just mindlessly going down there. You waited until I was dead to raise this. Because at the time I was in a panic and I was thinking, oh, I need to get as far away from the Apocalypse Bird as possible. So I assumed it was in the control.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Hey, we're going on a ride again, eh?
I forgot about this path.
Oh, God. How do you break the hypnosis? Every now and then I'm able to break it, and then other times I got lured in, I still got eaten.
Hey, what's up, man? How's your night?
Oh,
Excuse
God.
me. I got like a...
Oh my goodness.
Shots! Oh, you're healing. It's digesting
the
you
heal
in there.
zones still work for some reason.
Oh, my God.
Get the fuck out of there! Get the fuck out of there!
Oh, wrong side.
It fucks up my controls so badly. Holy shit.
Pull out the sound. Pull out the sound of your star. It will reset your controls.
Went the wrong way.
Ugh. I've got to like Alright, little shit. Fucking see a little egg beady eyes.
I should probably reset it, shouldn't I? Oh, hey, Dino's still alive. Oh, my God.
Jesus, these are tanky.
Damn you, game.
We go.
Should I reset and we try again? Or, well, damn it, this is just let's try as the thing.
It is, yeah.
Ow. Hey, fuck you.
Some, yeah, lower level people now, so trying it with them is not gonna end well.
Yeah.
Man, this is a hi Sparrow.
Ah.
That's right. Ooh, my controls are back. Alright, time to head back up, start. Alright, all personnel head up to the whoever the hell is left, head up to the top room.
I will be there in a moment. I'm currently being hypnotized, my friend.
Dennis says he's currently being hypnotized.
I'm currently experiencing how to run
I currently cannot see shit. Wait, what if I?
If you go left, down that hall.
Oh my god, turn down my graphics. Fucking words. Hold up.
Wait, would that do the trick for me too? Hold on.
That's the freezer again.
It's barely doing the trick for me.
Well, yeah, because your graphics are already low, but like when you have high graphics, like the shadows are harsher.
No, I mean my graphics before were 5. I lowered them down to 1.
Yeah, I was on 10, but now I can like now my thing gives me light.
Oh, I got insta kill. What the fuck?
Damn it. It's just those eggs. We really need those eggs. And we probably need someone handling the meltdowns, like if anything dangerous gets out. Blue star. Okay, time to reset day.
Yeah, reset today.
Ooh,
Tragic.
we got no butterfly.
My suggestion here would to have someone stationed on every department.
That's a bit hard.
I think the.
We have the manpower to.
I wish I knew what killed Mayo. I don't think it was instantaneous though. I think Mayo just didn't notice the
It
first time
was
she lost half health.
No, the pale damage from Apocalypse Bird killed her instantly.
She has judgment armor though. I best she'd take like 59 because that's what I got when I was.
Judgment armor?
Yeah, well, no,
I thought she had big
not
bird
judgment armor, lamp armor. My bad.
Lamp
usually-
armor still is a 1.5 to pale.
Yeah.
Because I got 59 with that. I was dead within 2 hits.
I don't know how I survived. I only had like 61 fortitude.
Oh well.
That's all from me. I'll see you guys later.
All right. Good night.
It was a good
Same.
attempt.
We calling it then.
Alright.
All right. Good night then, guys. Damn. Really want to beat that goddamn thing.
We ain't beating that, man.
Good night, all.
Maybe we just need more numbers. Oh well. Night.